Hello! I'm in the hall with two of my new buddies. I'm not telling you who they are. It's a secret that only I shall know, class 4. But welcome to today's maths lesson. We are going to continue our work on perimeter. Hopefully you had a go at yesterday's, and I noticed that quite a few people forgot to put the centimeters on their answers. So you did get most of the questions right, but because you didn't put centimeters on, unfortunately, it told you on Teacher Made that you were wrong, when really you weren't wrong because you got the number right. But if you don't put the units of measures on, it'll say wrong. So today, when you do your work, make sure you put the centimeters on because we're still going to be doing perimeter. So I want you to pause the video now and just tell an adult in your room what you think perimeter means. So pause the video and see if you can tell me what perimeter means. So perimeter is the distance and measure all the way around the outside of a shape. For example, my telephone here has got a perimeter, so all the way along that side, that side, that side, and that side. 4 sides to it. It's a rectangle, so I will have 4 numbers to add together. Same with this book, Wild Robot. It's bigger than my phone, so it will, see, here's my phone. Here's Wild Robot. Wild Robot's bigger, so it will have a larger perimeter, the distance all the way around the outside. Let's go to, now if you're measuring the book on my phone, then you'll be measuring in centimeters. But if, for example, you were to measure, I'll just have to show you this hole, because it's too big to measure in centimeters, you will be measuring this in meters, measuring it in meters. We're still going to work on centimeters today. So I'm going to share my screen with you and I'll show you today's task. So when you go onto your, just wait for this to disappear. When you go into your Teacher Made, you will find this sheet today. So it looks a little bit different because I'm not giving you the length of the sides today. You're going to have to count these squares to find it out. Now, dead easy, because each of these squares is 1 centimeter. They're 1 centimeter squares. So this we know is 1 centimeter. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that one side is 5 centimeters. What's the perimeter? Well, you know, because they're a square, that all of the sides are the same length. So you can just do a shortcut. You know that one side is 5 and you've got 4 of them. So just multiply one side by 4. So what is 5 times 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So the perimeter would be 5, 10, 15, 20. You've got 5 centimeters multiplied 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. So my perimeter will be 20 centimeters. Another one, then pause the video now and see if you can tell me the length in centimeters of one side of this square. The length on one side of this square. Pause the video and have a count. Hopefully you'll have the same answer as me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeter squares. So one side is 8 centimeters, but then you've got 4 sides all the same. So it's 8 4 times. 8, 16, 24, 32. So the perimeter will be 32 centimeters. That's all you have to do for questions right the way through to 9. Have a go at those. And then we move on to rectangles. Now, rectangles are slightly different because you've got 2 sides the same length and 2 sides there the same length, but they're not all the same. So you have to measure side 1. It doesn't matter which one you want to do first. You could do this short side first, or you could do the long side first. I'm going to do the long side first. So how many have we got? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So side 1 is 6 centimeters. What about side 2? What down? That's only 1 centimeter. Now, because you've got 2 long ones and 2 short ones, you're going to add these together and times it by 2 because you've got 2 of them. So you've got 6 centimeters along here, 1 centimeter down there, that's 7. Then you've got another 7 along here, so just double it. So what's double 7? It's 14 centimeters. Let's have another go together. You pause the video and see if you can count them yourselves. So side 1 will do the long one. Side 2 will do the short sides. So you've got 2 short sides, 2 long sides. So let's find this one, and then we'll just add them together and then double it. Pause the video and have a go. Right, well, side 1, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So side 1 is 7 centimeters. Side 2, 1, 2, 3 is 3 centimeters. But we've got 2 of this size and 2 of this size. So 7 and 3 is 10. 7 and 3 is 10. And we're going to double it because you've got another 7 and 3. So double 10 is 20. Have a go at all of those. You've got 12 rectangles and 9 squares to do. And then click I'm done, and I'll be able to mark it and give you some feedback.